My name is Josh Aeschbach. I'm the owner of Aeschbach Automotive here in Middleton, Wisconsin. Here at Aeschbach Automotive, we provide a wide range of maintenance and repair. We can do anything from an engine transmission replacement to your standard air filters, brakes, anything like that. We do work on all makes and models. We have a lot of technicians that are trained specifically in different makes, so we have a very extensive background of technicians. We do digital courtesy inspections. We send out text messages to customers, different reports via text message to try to be non-intrusive throughout the day to their busy work schedule and their life. What sets us apart from other repair shops in the area, I think, is our level of customer service, our dedication to the customer.